If your Spectrum cable box is stuck displaying boot on the screen, it means the device is repeatedly trying to start up but failing. This is a common issue, often due to software glitches or hardware problems. First, perform a simple power cycle. Unplug the cable box from the power outlet for at least 60 seconds. This clears temporary memory and can often resolve the problem. Once you plug it back in, give it a few minutes to reboot. If this doesn't work, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure, especially the coaxial cable and HDMI cable. A loose connection can prevent the box from booting correctly. As of September 2025, Spectrum reports that power cycling resolves a significant percentage of these issues. So this is the best place to start. If basic power cycling and connection checks don't resolve the boot loop, try a factory reset through your cable box menu. Access the reset option in Settings, General, Reset to Factory Defaults. Remember, this will erase any personalized settings you've configured. If the issue persists, use the Spectrum app for remote diagnostics to identify and potentially fix the problem automatically. Alternatively, reach out to Spectrum support through their 24/7 chat service for personalized help with your boot loop issue. For older cable boxes, the boot loop might stem from hardware problems such as failing capacitors or other components. Spectrum has been rolling out firmware updates like version 7.2.1 in May 2025 to fix boot loop issues, and newer Xi6 or Xi7 models offer better performance. Looking ahead, Spectrum is integrating AI-driven diagnostics into the app to preemptively fix boot loops and moving towards cloud-based recovery systems, potentially phasing out physical boxes entirely. If you're still experiencing problems, check if you're using outdated hardware and contact Spectrum to discuss upgrading to a newer cable box.